Consider this your divine sign if you are stuck on what to buy for the beauty lovers in your life this holiday season. Sephora is having their Gifts for All event from now to December 10th, and that means 20% off. So here are some holiday gift ideas to inspire you. For the skincare lover, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Toner. This is a hydrating toner that also helps with the appearance of pores and texture. It smells good, it feels good, it looks cute. Great for oily, blemish-prone skin. For the hair care lover, the Briogeo Scalp Revival Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. It lathers beautifully, helps to exfoliate the scalp, and also it just smells delicious. For the fragrance lovers, On a Date from Replica. It's a really light fragrance that balances floral and fruity. I think this is a great fragrance for like a spring, summer date night. And for the makeup lovers, the Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil from Rare. This is in the shade Wonder. Juicy, luscious, glossy lips are back, and this gives you that really nourishing texture in a wide range of gorgeous sheer colors. So hopefully that gave you some gifting inspo from now till December 10th, online and in store at Sephora. Don't miss your opportunity to get 20% off. That would not be very festive or fun.